How about a late spring storm? Well, whether we want it to come or not, we'll take the moisture, and it's coming this morning. As we take a look at your watches and warnings right off the bat, notice the winter storm warning in effect for areas in pink, Great Falls included. This isn't necessarily for areas in too high elevations. This is for areas above 4,000 feet, and you'll notice over to the east, you see the purple shade there. This for a winter weather advisory, including Lewistown, Roy, and Denton, but also quite a few other areas, almost down to Judith Gap. But as we take a look around your radar right now, really seeing some shower activity off to the east of Montana, down towards Billings, moving off towards Miles City, Glendive, and Jordan, starting to see a little bit of rainfall this morning. You notice the high wind warning in the brighter shade of orange up to our north and east there, and parts of our northwest. That's for the high wind warning once again, and the light brown shade for the high wind watch, also in effect, and when the wind advisory. But as we take a look across the country, not seeing much activity as far as storms going on, but quite a bit of rainfall moving off to the northeast. Seeing a little bit of convective activity overnight towards Wichita and the panhandle of Oklahoma. But here in Montana, things are going to crank up as we move along throughout your Thursday. Beginning of the day should be rather dry, but as we move into this evening, you'll really see the patterns start to change and shift. Wind's going to ramp up throughout the day today for your Thursday, but as we move into your evening, you'll see that low pressure system drops right out of the north, moves right down through the state, really starts bringing precipitation to quite a bit of Montana. Great Falls is going to see precipitation steadily first, ahead of Helena rather. Great Falls probably going to see precipitation move in around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, but Helena closer to 4 to 5 p.m. But that's because of this low pressure system once again going to drop straight out of the north, straight out of Canada, bringing moisture initially falling as rain in quite a bit of Montana, but as we move into the evening hours, you'll see that quite a bit of that transitions over to snow rather quickly during the nighttime hours. But here's some of that snow intermittent as we move through midday today, around noon to around 4 to 5 p.m. And then, just like I mentioned there, Great Falls is going to see that moisture start to move in around 5 o'clock, 5:30. Really going to see the moisture intensify and strengthen as we move in to the afternoon to late afternoon hours. Helena, around 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m., really going to see that moisture start moving in, but as the sun goes down, you'll really start to notice transitions to snow, and here it is. You see right in the evening hours, overnight, transitioning to snow. That wind going to continue to ramp up into your Friday, really blowing some of that snow around, obscuring visibility. Could see quite a bit of snow in areas, especially for this late spring time frame. But as we move along into your Friday morning, really seeing some more moisture as well. Wind going to pick up as well, like I mentioned. Take a look at your future track for the wind. Of course, purple indicating the higher speeds of wind there, ramping up throughout mid-Montana. Quite a bit going on, as you've probably picked up over the next 48 hours. But you see that wind continues on into your Friday and then dissipates for your Saturday. But by Sunday, we could see a little bit of wind ramp up again, but nothing like we're going to see tonight into tomorrow. As for your snow forecast, some decent snow totals possible as we move over the next 48 hours. We really start to see those pick up, especially through the overnight tonight as the rain transitions over to snow. Check out these snow totals possible by this evening. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we'll notice that.
Well, as the nation's infant formula crisis grows more dire, both the